So thank you for joining us. We'll be trying out the hot air gun first. You need to hold it in place, then allow the gun to eat up the nylon as you turn the bottle around. Once you have the nylon in itself shrinking round, then it's done. For the alternative of the hot water, just do about the same. Allow the water boil, and there you have it. Done. All good. Then we also have that for the bigger kind of shrinking, and it still works. But this time you need a glove because the water might get to your hand and you're dealing with hot water here. You just turn the plastic round as you apply the hot water, and there you have it. Done. Thank you. Thanks for watching.